Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get cute pink skirt on Dress to Impress for the Valentine's update too. Okay, here I have opened my Dress to Impress, and if you want to get cute pink skirt, you need to redeem a code on Dress to Impress. You can click on this icon and then you just need to enter a code right here. You need to type in Ella. Okay, just follow this code and then click on redeem. And as you can see guys, I have already redeemed this code. And if you want to get the cute pink skirt, we need to go to the dressing room and then we're going to click on this icon. And this is how the pink skirt looks like. Wait, I'm going to take off my skirt. Okay, and you will be able to change the color if you want. For me, I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get cute pink skirt on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.